Staying healthy is a part of homesteading, and one aspect of health is having a healthy mouth. After a long day of eating and drinking, your body, particularly your mouth, is acidic. That acid pulls minerals out of your enamel and leaves it weak and vulnerable. If enough minerals are pulled out of your teeth, called demineralization, bacteria can travel through the enamel to the tooth and cause a cavity. People in the United States spend over $20 billion annually on dental health, yet they don't realize that up to 80% of health conditions are directly related to the mouth. Poor dental health, even when using commercial products religiously, can cause cardiovascular disease, fetal deaths, cancer, especially colon cancer, joint problems, pulmonary disease, rheumatoid arthritis, brain abscesses, Alzheimer's disease, spleen problems, osteoporosis, preeclampsia, coronary artery disease, diabetes, liver disease, infertility, erectile dysfunction, kidney disease, strokes, preterm birth, and upper respiratory infections. We are not taught prevention in any way, whether that is with general health or with dental health. We need to fix the mouth to heal our bodies, and to do that, we need to go back to the basics. There are many who have adopted the thought process that commercial products cleans and prevents problems, but the ingredients causes many of the problems we are trying to avoid. Some of the ingredients found in commercial toothpastes include propylene glycol, which is used in antifreeze, triclosan, which can kill good bacteria and hormones, artificial dyes and colors, which are linked to ADHD and other neuro diseases, fluoride, which has neurotoxic ingredients causing hyperactivity, memory problems, bone cancer, bone fractures, dermatological problems, decrease in the immune system, thyroid dysfunction, diabetes, insomnia, cardiac failure, etc. More commercial toothpaste ingredients include ethanol, which dries the mouth and causes oral cancer, artificial sweeteners, which causes GI problems, and detergents like sodium lauryl sulfate, which causes gums to bleed. So why not just make your own? Make it from good ingredients that will prevent cavities to begin with, so that we can protect our dental health along with protecting our overall general body health. When I make toothpaste, I like to include ingredients like bentonite clay, coconut oil, horsetail herb, colloidal silver, activated charcoal, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, clove oil, stevia, and a pinch of salt. Now for the salt, I do use Redmond's real salt because it has good minerals inside. I never use table salt. A good quality salt will pull toxins from the cells, and it alkalizes the mouth. There is one other ingredient that I would like to mention. It is called hydroxyapatite. It is an ingredient that is great for mineralizing the teeth. But the bad thing is, it's very expensive. What if you want to take care of your teeth and your mouth, but you just don't want to make your own toothpaste? If you go to the link that is listed in the description box, you can purchase toothpaste, mouthwash, floss, toothbrushes, and many other holistic dental products. I recommend them simply because I have used them, and I really like them. Use that affiliate link and you will get a 10% off discount of your entire order. Just use the code TheWeedDoc. What is your dental routine? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.